been away for a couple of weeks now on recess, and only resuming today. It's quite unfortunate that today's resumption is on a very sad note because we were such incident. Distinguished colleagues, this is a letter from our late colleague's family notifying us of his death. Speaker and members of the State Senate Assembly, we, the immediate family of the late Honorable Nnamdi Okafor, are writing to formally inform you that Honorable Nnamdi Okafor has passed on. He died in South Africa on August 23rd, 2022, while on legislative duty. We have set Honorable Nnamdi's burial to be December 9th, Friday, and 10th, Saturday, 2022. We are currently developing the program for Honorable Nnamdi's burial and will be providing you a copy once it is ready. For the meantime, we are asking that you provide us with the activities that the Honorable House will perform during the burial for inclusion into the burial program. Also, as Honorable Nnamdi was a majority leader on this Honorable House prior to his death, we expect his burial to be attended by many people, including VIPs within Anambra State and his other colleagues from other states. Hence, we are seeking for financial assistance from this Honorable House or from the state government to help give Honorable Nnamdi a befitting burial. Any financial assistance that are provided to us will be greatly appreciated. We want to thank you for your cooperation and your hard work in seeing that Honorable Nnamdi's body was repatriated to Nigeria. All the assistance you have rendered to our family so far is very much appreciated. Please contact me if you have any questions or need additional information. Signed, Engineer Pat Nwachukwu Okafor. May the soul of Honorable Nnamdi Okafor and the soul of all the faithful departed through the mercy of God rest in peace. May his soul rest in peace. Please officially open the condolence register, which will be placed at the lobby of the State Assembly. We implore all of us and everybody here to please remember our late brother and his young family in our prayers. The burial will be on the 9th and 10th of December. We will have interaction with the family to know when they will bring in his portrait for valedictory session. And also, we have also discussed to know how we are going to come in the burial. Deputy Majority Leader, please.
My name is Honorable Emeka Afoka. I represent the good people of Orumba North Constituency. Mr. Speaker, I sorrowfully move a motion that this House be adjourned to Thursday, 20th day of October at 10 a.m. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
This Honorable House be adjourned to Thursday, the 20th. Those against the ayes have it.
Yeah.